welcome back to my channel. It's just cold. We're in Ha Ling mountain. It's really cold here, as you can see. We want to go to that peak there. But I don't know if we can still make it. It's really cold. I don't know, maybe it's -5 or -10. That's how I can feel, but it's amazing, especially the view. Come on, let's go! Ha Ling Peak is a peak at the northwestern end of Mount Lawrence Grassi and is around 90-minute drive from Calgary to the trail. Ha Ling Trail to Ha Ling Peak is a 7.2-kilometer heavily trafficked out and back trail located near Kananaskis Improvement, Alberta, Canada, that features a river and is rated as difficult. The trail offers a number of activity options and is accessible year-round. If you're gonna do this hike during winter, you should have these micro spikes once again and the hiking poles. This will really give you a lot of grip, especially going up and also going down, so you don't have to slip. That's everything! And look at the views! It's amazing! This was previously named Chinaman's Peak. In 1896, Ha Ling, a Chinese cook for the Canadian Pacific Railway, was bet $50 that he could not climb the peak and plant a flag on the summit in less than 10 hours. And he proved them wrong, as he was able to hike the peak and back for just 5 hours. Thus, the townsfolk referred to the mountain as Chinaman's Peak in his honor. In 1997, it was renamed Ha Ling Peak as the term Chinaman was viewed as derogatory. You'll know that you're near the peak once you've passed the 3 wooden stairs. As mentioned, this is a difficult trail, but hikers are up to the challenge. The trail begins at the parking lot and makes its way through beautiful Canadian Rocky Mountain forest. Since the weather and climate vary tremendously from the trailhead to the peak, it is recommended to wear plenty of layers since the top is very cold even in summer.
Okay, go ahead, honey.
If you're up for some fun, try sliding on the stairs. Obviously, I tried since a lot are sliding as well. Yeah, I'm gonna try to slide. Oh my God! I think my ass is frozen now. Oh, that's so much fun. Yeah! Yep. That was fun. The descending portion of this hike is also fairly difficult as you zigzag back to the base, often against traffic moving up. During winter, there is an avalanche hazard, so be extra cautious and careful.
Look at the wonderful views! I'm having an amazing day!
Watch out, watch out.
Watch out! My God!
Ha Ling 2021!
This took us 4.5 hours to do the entire hike, and it was a really nice adventure. We might go back this summer just to see the difference of this hike.
Alright, that's everything for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Oh, look at this car here. It's nice. Like, all people have
Completely
I know.
splashed, eh?
Yeah.
people just have to slow down.